Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that gold is struggling to go up right now. And we were expecting a breakout yesterday, but sadly the breakout did not come and market showed technical correction here. Right now, gold is trading below 4600 while recording the video. But do we have a trend reversal here? No, we do not have a trend reversal here. If gold starts falling also, that will just be a technical correction. Okay, what? It will just be a technical correction. So you may wonder, if you're a beginner, you may wonder, Avilash, what is the difference between a technical correction and a reversal? In both the cases, the market is going down. The difference lies in the duration. Technical corrections are temporary, while the trend reversals, okay, they last longer. They last for a couple of weeks, and it may also go for a couple of months. For example, gold has been super bullish. Silver has been super bullish for the last couple of months. So this is the trend of the market. Okay, so for any trend reversal or trend continuation, we need fundamental reasons. And right now, for gold or silver, we do not have any strong fundamental reasons that will bring a trend reversal. Okay, because if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold declines on likely technical correction or possible profit taking. Yes, traders, okay, who have been riding the trend of the market will also try to book their profits, isn't it? So whatever we are witnessing here, I think that yes, after some time, okay, it should end and gold may try to continue the upside again. If it fails also, we may see a sideways market. Remember the video from day 4 yesterday? We discussed about the higher time frame, because on the higher time frame also we can see the market is trading at the top, which is not at all healthy, because all the markets around the world, they move in a zigzag pattern and corrections or retracements are important. So here you can see on the daily chart, market is standing at the top. So gold needs to come down, not reversal, at least for some retracement. At least we can expect gold to come to 4400, 4300. When it will come, God knows. Okay, but yes, technically, okay, there is a possibility, and yes, it should come. It will be a healthy move then, because right now whatever we are witnessing on gold and silver is not at all healthy. Okay, and if you look at the 4 hours time frame, okay, we can see a similar story. You can see market is on bull run, and right now market is standing at the top. So at least market should come down to 4500. Okay, if market comes to 4500 and takes support, yeah, there's a good chance. Then also we can expect a good buy position or a good swing trade. So if you're looking for a good swing trade, then I will suggest you that wait for some time. Okay, let the market come down so that you can enter at a discounted price. Yeah, around 4500, 440, nobody knows. Okay, but if you get a chance, yes, you can easily expect $200 to $300 move here. Okay, but as of now, okay, for traders like us, especially for day trading, we can see that the market is not very good, because we mostly trade on the lower time frame. So whatever we discuss right now about the corrections, gold coming to 4400, 450, blah blah blah, okay, all is all for swing traders. For day traders, this is the time frame, 15 minutes chart, and we can clearly see that the chart is not very good right now. Okay, see, the clear thing is, for the upside to continue, okay, we need gold to we need gold, what? Oh, okay, we need gold to cross 4650. Yesterday, okay, we had multiple chances. Okay, in fact, at one point we also had the ascending triangle pattern, but everything failed. So for gold to be bullish, we need gold to cross 4650. If it crosses 4650 today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then you can expect a bull run to continue again. Okay, if it fails, if you see market like this, then you can expect the sideways market to continue. And if market remains like this, then obviously you can easily guess that the trading opportunities will also be limited here. For example, today on the chart of gold, you can see the number of lines are also a little less. Okay, so on the chart of gold, where is the best support? Okay, the best support is around 4550 or 51. The line at the bottom is the best support. Why are we considering this support here? Okay, first of all, 4550 is a round number. Okay, then you can see we also have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So psychological support plus FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So if we combine both the factors, then yeah, there is a good chance that in a sideways market like this, okay, we should get at least a bounce of $15 to $20, means 150 to 200 pips. Okay, so let's wait and watch. During the day, if market takes support around 4550, we can easily go for a buy position. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. If there is a sudden profit booking or big candles you see on the screen, then obviously you need to avoid buy. And as a day trader, you can be on the sell. But yeah, okay, technically at the time of recording the video, okay, there is a chance around 4550, okay, 4550. Yesterday we also discussed about a support around 4570. Remember we discussed support around 4570. The problem with the support of 4570 is that today, okay, in the morning, market bounced from 4580. As market has taken support around 4580, chances of market taking support again around 4500 is less. Because if we look at the technical structure, you can see market is forming lower lows here. Try to understand lower lows market form कर रहा है. 4580 already support काम कर चुका है. So 4570 एकदम पास है. It's very near. Okay, so chances are less that 4570 will be working as the support here. If volume dries up, volume अगर खत्म हो जाता है, volume is very low, okay, then you can expect 4570 to work. Otherwise, right now 51 seems to be the best support. And if you are a risky scalper, okay, you can also look for a sell around 4610. Okay, if you see market is showing price action from above, as a risky scalper, you can look for 50 to 60 pips or 80 pips around 4610 as well. See, sideways market can be boring, okay, because the best trading opportunity is either at the top or at the bottom. Many people or most of the people lose money in sideways market because we enter on the middle of the chart. Okay, so if you want to avoid entering on the middle of the chart, you will have to wait. Okay, and that's why the maximum money or the highest amount of money is made on the trending markets, not sideways market. Okay, because we fail to wait. So patience is the key here. Okay, nothing much to discuss. Okay, wait for the right time and do not gamble. If anything happens, you will get an update in the free Telegram community. If you are still on the part, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. And be patient. Not many opportunities. Okay, so do not lose. Do not gamble. Okay, bye bye. Take care.